I'm Tyler Haig from Vikings Territory, and this is Hot Dish in the Fridge. Well, if you'd told me before the game that Drew Brees was going to be held to 120 yards passing, 1 touchdown, and 1 interception, I would have told you that the Vikings probably won that football game. Instead, they definitely did not win that football game. Turning point in the game came with 1 minute and 11 seconds left in the first half. Vikings were driving. Adam Thielen fumbled. Saints returned the ball to very close to the Vikings end zone. They wind up scoring before the end of the half. Instead of the Vikings being up 20-10, they wind up being down 13-17 heading into halftime. Everything was different after that, of course. Kirk Cousins winds up throwing a pick 6, and the rest is history. But that, to me, was the turning point in the game. Kirk Cousins wound up with 359 yards passing, 2 touchdowns, and 1 interception, which wasn't really his fault because Diggs stopped on the route. Adam Thielen continued his streak of 100 yards receiving. He has now extended that streak to 8 games. He will hope to break the record, Calvin Johnson, Megatron's record, next week against Detroit. That's who Calvin Johnson played for. A rough one to watch, rough one to stay up late to watch. We'll see if the Vikings can rebound against Detroit next week. I'm Tyler Haig from Vikings Territory. We'll see you next time.